Okay, this is one of the craziest concepts that we've offered, and we've offered them recently at them in Crazy Popular, and that is reversible jeans. Now, this is a beautiful kind of blush mauve color that I love. It's solid on one side and python on the other. Now, we offered these in gray before, hugely popular, so I grabbed a pair of the gray so I could show them to you in a much more appropriate manner than the ones that I'm wearing, if you know what I mean. So, number one, it's gonna be solid on one side. So the side that I'm wearing it on right now is the solid blush. Again, this is the gray version. You can see just a solid jean. Looks great, right? And then you reverse it. So you wear it, you throw it in the washing machine, and the next time you wear it, turn it inside out. Cutest pair of python ever. So obviously this is a blush. It's gonna be a blush python. Again, this is the gray version, so this is the gray python, but I just wanted to show you the structure. So it has a lot of stretch. Love that, right? All good. And it's gonna have the belt loops all the way around on both sides. The front pockets are going to be faux pockets except for one little coin on each side. The back pockets are real pockets, and you can see it has just the same structure as a traditional jean, and then the zipper is going to have the look of the regular fly on both sides, and then this zipper goes over for when you wear it on the other side, comes back when you wear it on the python side. So they're amazingly comfortable. It's crazy. It's like, wait a minute, if I'm gonna travel, I can wear it on the solid side one day, throw it in the wash, wear it on the python side the next day. It's like doubling your wardrobe. It's so easy. And I love the colors. I love this soft gray, and I love this beautiful kind of blush that we're offering now. It's a really fun, different look. It's gonna be almost a jegging because it's a close fit to the leg, and it's going to be kind of an ankle length on that, so it really works for everyone. The colors I think are gorgeous. You can wear them right now with your cardigans and your winter, and then later on with your t-shirts, tank tops, flip-flops in the summertime. Beautiful ideas, 2-in-1. This is a brand new color and a reversible jean, and you're gonna love it on both sides.